I'm the curious sister, and this is the curious baby. Say hi! And we're gonna show you our Modanisa haul. Okay, are you ready to open, Lela? Let's open, okay? Okay, go there. Open. We're gonna show you our purchase from Modanisa.com. Stay here, Lela. Okay. It just arrived today here at the Curious Mrs. house, and we're excited to open it, Lela. Wait, open. Remove your hand. Wait lang. Unboxing, Lela. Unboxing. Are you excited? Did you buy anything? No? Yes. Okay. Come here. Come here. Wow!
Wow! Refka!
Yes. Obviously, we hoarded because they have a sale ongoing now. It's, what's it called?
Eid sale.
Eid sale. 40?
Eid
sale.
40.
Okay? Okay, Lala. So then. Wow! Who bought everything? Who ordered a lot of clothes? Why did you buy a lot of clothes, Leila? Huh? Are you gonna sell? No. Come on. Oh, look at these. Come. Let's go open.
Open na. Don't forget to like.
Okay. Which one are we gonna open first? You want the red one? Red? Okay, red. Okay, as you can see, I have ordered a lot because when I first ordered with Modanisa about 2 months ago, I liked the products. The material is better than the other site where I used to order.
How about the price?
Okay. The price Modanisa is a little bit expensive from the other online delivery shops, the other online shops. But here in Modanisa, I noticed that the material is good, and you will not regret buying because it's nice. It's nice to wear, and the quality is good, because in the other sites I noticed that it's like a matter of hit and miss. It's always like half of my order would be
Poorly stitched.
poorly stitched, poor quality. But this one, I hope everything will be good. So let's see. This one, what is this?
What's the brand and how much did you get
Is
it?
there a
I'll just
brand
show
pala? It's all, I think most of them are Alia.
Alia, the plus size.
Yes. So these are the clothes that I'm gonna wear for the Eid. So how many days Eid holidays? So I'm gonna wear one dress each. This is nice, Naila, right? But look, the color is not the same as in the picture.
Hey, don't forget to plug your Instagram
Oh,
because you'll show the...
yeah. I'm gonna wear these clothes and show them on my Instagram if I have time. My Instagram is Raj Mahal Kita. Okay?
Okay.
And of course, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on the Curious Mrs. video. Oh, Curious Mrs. channel. Okay, Layla, are you happy with this, Layla? The quality is nice. It's good. And I'm gonna wear it.
It's
I don't
nice.
know if it's nice.
Yes, it looks like that lampshade. It looks like that lampshade.
Okay. This one, I hope I like this. Come on.
That's
Layla,
from...
what is this? What is the color? Black. It's Alia again. And
What's the size?
it's XXX.
Okay.
I like this because I ordered this because I've always wanted what do you call this?
Little
dress?
black dress.
A
Jumper? Ah.
Jumper with a long skirt, because my mom will always ask me, is that a short skirt or pants or long? So
It's nice.
it's nice. You see? Touch it. Huh?
What's the material? Ah, it's nice. It's
what?
a thick,
Thick.
thick fabric. You don't have to wear anything underneath, I think.
Oh,
Really?
I'm not gonna wear anything on. Oh, no.
Sorry. Wow.
Oh, I got a bag.
This one's from...
I think 40 reals. I don't know.
She wants to wear the headband.
Okay. It's small. I thought it's small. What else? This one, I'm planning to wear this in chef shower.
What?
Secret.
Oh, it's a nice one. What's that? That's from Aliyah.
Aliyah also. I hope this fits. Yeah, this is good as well.
It's a long dress.
Long dress.
How about the material, the fabric? No need to wear anything underneath. It's lined.
You don't need to put a lining inside. It's not so thin. It's not see-through.
Okay.
It's good. I think I can wear this on Fridays. Okay. This one is another thing that I like on men. I was supposed to buy the pink one, but they don't have my size, not available. So I bought the blue one. It's royal blue. See, with electric. What do you call this? Pleats?
Electric pleats.
Yes. Oh, but I think this will be body hugging.
This from Aliyah again?
Yeah. It will show the big tummy.
You have to wear shapewear.
This will fit you.
Huh? Of course not.
This will fit you. It's nice, Laila, no?
You like it, Layla?
You like this? What's the color? Blue. Okay.
Okay. What else did you get?
Oh, this is like, this one is, I'm trying to wear this in the desert. Which desert? Secret. Okay. But it's so thick.
What material is
For
that?
winter. It's like a jogging pants pero damit. Ay. With a hood.
Okay.
Casual.
I'll link everything in the description box and I'll put the price also, huh?
Oh. This is not good for the summer. But for winter. Casual dress. You want to jog. You want to go to the park. With a hood. And with
Yeah.
rubber shoes. With my Skechers. This is good also. See, everything is nice. You
Yes.
you can't say like, oh, I'll just give this to someone. Because it's,
Layla, show your face.
show your face.
Don't hide.
I wanted a white dress.
And this is from
Aliyah. I
Aliyah.
told you everything is Aliyah.
Oh, that's nice. That's like a
But it's so
beach.
thin. You need
Beach
to
wear.
You need to wear something inside.
It's unlined.
Yeah. But the quality is good. This is nice to wear in Morocco.
Ooh.
But it's small.
Is it?
It looks small. But it's nice. For prayer. Oh, there's a bird.
Wait.
It's thin. I need to wear something inside. Move! There's
What
another
else?
one. I want
There's another blue one over here.
Where?
Here, here.
Oh, this one. This one I want to wear also in the desert. But
Layla, show your face. You're
Oh.
hiding. Bah. Lah, malikot ang kamay
this
ko.
is like a sweatshirt with tiger print.
Oh, that's nice. I like that.
Yeah.
Is it thick?
It's not so thick. It's just like a light sweatshirt. It's a shirt, like a shirt material. So it's good. It's nice.
That's from?
It's warm. Aliyah. It's not so warm.
That's nice. I like
You
that.
pair this with black pants.
Or white.
Or white or... Ah,
Is it a good fit? You think?
it's big, but it's...
Nice. Natug na Layla.
Kilala. And what's this? Oh, I'm excited for this. This is the one that I want to wear with my new bag.
Ah.
But it's different.
The color is different?
What is this? I thought it's black. But it's
What is
blue.
that? It's navy blue.
It's navy blue.
It's fine.
Okay.
That looks good with your belt.
And it's black, but it's fine because it's the same shade. Do I look happy with it?
Yeah, it's nice.
And it's good for the summer because it's thin. It's not warm.
But you'll have to wear leggings for sure.
Yeah, I always wear leggings.
Layla, say hi!
Layla! Oh, you wear this. Nice? You like it? Okay, this is another sweatshirt. Yeah. Which, no? You don't like it? Okay, return. This one I like the print.
That's a sweatshirt.
Yeah, sweatshirt.
Mm.
Mm.
Vibes of the summer.
Vibes of the summer. So we still have 1 month of summer. You can see where this. It's very big. It's an oversized. Again, an oversized sweatshirt. Because I'm oversized, so I wear oversized. Okay.
Layla! Sit down, please! Jump, jump!
Oh, this is the second to the last one. I was looking for something with light color.
Is that linen?
Yeah, touch it.
Ah, it is. But I think it's a little see-through.
See? I like the pocket. I always want dresses with pockets. It's easy where to store, you know where to
Layla,
store your
kikita kung
phone.
saan nyawa mo.
Okay, Layla. Yeah, good. It's a nice one for summer. It's nice. I like
Yes.
it because it's A-line, correct?
Yes.
So, I remember a friend told me if you're aged 30 and above,
Yes.
it's better to wear A-line.
Then,
I don't know. You just said that your dresses should be A-line. I don't know why. That was Camille. Hi, Camille. Come. And last one, Layla. Is this all mine? No.
Yes,
I
of
was planning
course.
to give it to you.
What's this? Oh, that's nice.
This is also Moroccan, no?
Yeah, like, ewan ko.
Nice to wear in Morocco. Why are we always saying Morocco?
I don't know. Ask your mother.
Mom? Okay, Layla.
Is it a good fit? It'll fit you? You
I'm
think?
not sure. Let's fit later.
Okay.
I think it will. Oh, see, it's...
Yeah. I like the sleeves and the color. Bell. Bell sleeves, is it?
Because there's this place in Morocco, which is blue. Shamshawin, right?
Ah,
It's
okay.
nice to wear there. No? Huh? No.
How about your bag? Show your bag. You didn't show your bag.
Where's the bag, Layla? It's small kasi.
Layla, cover your diaper.
I thought it's big. A little bit.
Ah, here.
See? Where's the chain?
It's a tourist bag.
But this is for Layla. No, Layla.
You can't even fit your phone.
It will fit. Tourist bag? No, this is, I was looking for something to use alternatively. I have my yellow bag wherever I go. I use it. So I wanted something else. This is red.
Ang likot ng kamay ko.
Oh, it's a date bag. Okay.
That's it.
We're done. And okay, so thank you, Modanisa, for my new wardrobe. And thank you, Laila. Say bye, Laila.
Bye. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe.
Comment and subscribe at the Curious Mrs. YouTube
Channel.
Bye.
Bye. Happy Eid.
Eid. Happy Eid.
Say bye, Laila. Look here.
Bye.
Okay, bye.